So this is a zinc alloy and brass water nozzle, and man, this thing is super nice. You can see I'm just using one hand to adjust the settings on the water nozzle so it can be a very fine mist spray or it can shoot far. This is the box it comes in. This was sent to me for free so I could review this, and I'm really impressed with it. Not only does it look gorgeous, it just feels nice in the hand. So it does have that rubber grommet or washer, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't come with extra ones. I used to always get these plastic things, but they just keep breaking on me. I don't think this is ever going to break. I'm just so impressed with this water nozzle. I like that you can adjust how it comes out, so it can be kind of a shower for things close up, and it can spray really far, and then if you want to spray even further, you can make it the jet setting, and you can do a mist setting as well. Very fine mist. It's just a really cool nozzle. I really like it. You can spray things far away or up close, doesn't matter. You could use this for washing cars or things like that. When I was out watering some plants, the boys saw me doing it and they were jumping on the trampoline and they wanted it to shower down on them, so they had a lot of fun with that as well. It's just a really cool spray nozzle. This is the best I've ever used. Straight up. I am very, very happy with this.
You ready? Ah!